Welcome everyone. In the last 10th portion of the book, Dale Carnegie has further guided us how to correct others. And he said, once you make the other person comfortable, then you should start your discussion with those things on which you and the other person agree with each other. Don't start your discussion with conflicting points. Because according to Professor Harry, who is considered as the modern philosopher of this time, that no response is the most difficult handicap to overcome. It means if someone says no on anything, it's very difficult to change that no into yes. Because your whole neuromuscular system stands as a guard behind that no and stop the other person from changing it to yes. So Dale Carnegie says the best strategy is to apply Socratic method. Socratic method means you should start asking those questions from the other person, in the response of which the other person says yes, yes. And when the direction is set in the positive way, then you can sandwich your main points in that discussion, and there are likely chances that he will listen your points and he will agree with those points. And in the last portion of this book, he says that we should in any way save the honor of the other person. Let the other person save his honor. And he gave us the example of a famous war fought between Greeks and the Turks from 1919 to 1922. And in that war, which was a very emotional point, the two Greek generals, General Trikoupis and General Dionys, were captured alive. And when they were brought in front of Mustafa Kemal Atatürk, who is the founder of the modern Turkey, the statement he said to those two generals, it was considered as one of the great statements in history. He said, "Sit down, gentlemen. War is the game in which sometimes the best men are defeated." It means that still we consider you the best men, but this is a game in which sometimes the best men can be defeated. So this is a classic example that you do not allow any other person to be humiliated. You should try to respect the honor of the other person. And this is the Dale Carnegie's beautiful book, How to Win Friends and Influence People. Thank you very much.